The video is made for BCom second semester students for basic English subject for Karnataka University, Dharwad. The video is presented by Prabal Jagdish Roddannavar, Assistant Professor of English, Sri K.H. Patil, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti, Gadag. My Brother by Nora Burke. Nora Burke was a British novelist, non-fiction and travel writer, famous for her descriptions of life in India during the early 20th century. She also wrote romances under the pseudonyms Andre L'Amour and Paul Lee Strange. Nora Eileen Burke was born in Bedford and moved to India when she was a baby. Her mother, Eileen Marion Wrench Burke, was born in India, while her father was an engineer with the Great Indian Peninsula Railway. Her father, Redmond St. George Burke, was a forest officer in India at her early childhood. As a girl in India, she wrote and edited her own little magazine, The Monthly Dorrit. She returned to England in 1919 to attend a school in Devonshire. Nora Burke married Henry, a lawyer, in 1931. They had two sons, Timothy and Humphrey. She lived for many years at Thorncourt, Suffolk. Jungle Child by Nora Burke tells the life of the British-born author who, at the age of 10 weeks, was taken to India. With the exception of an occasional and scarcely remembered visit to her father's estate in Suffolk, she lives in jungle camps until 1919. When she was 12, she was brought back to the UK and went to school. Jungle Days by Nora Burke and Redmond St. George Burke. St. George Burke was a forest official with the Imperial Forest Service in India. This book was written with his daughter Nora Burke, who herself was an author of 3 books on Indian wildlife and hunting. This book features St. George Burke's hunting adventures from the Travancore forests in southern India to the Himalayan foothills. He particularly hunted at Kumaon, where Jim Corbett sprang to fame, hunting man-eating leopard to elephant, tiger, bear, and other game. Jungle Picture by Nora Burke is a picture of the vast forest of India along the foothills of the Himalayas in 22 short stories. The Midnight Forest, a true story of wild animals by Nora Burke, is a vintage natural history book about deer, foxes, badgers, and birds of the forest, recorded and photographed through the worst winter ever recorded in the British Isles. Other works written by Nora Burke are 11 Leopards, a journey through the jungles of Ceylon, Tiger Country, Merry England, The Scarlet Vampire, Harem Captive, Tarnished Angel, King Tod, Fire in the Forest.